trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Oh, in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? You only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
Yeah, stepping in the spot like she own it, looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body, always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gon' do about it? Loving your vibe, girl, that energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need is you, all I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. She said she need me like heartbeat, drive me the bed like a RV, hugging the curves on that body. She bring the heat like wasabi. Promise not to test your heart, never. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah, baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you, all I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Loving your vibe, girl, that energy got me going. It's my baby, that thing so vibrant. Keys to your heart, baby girl. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby you feel make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life.
I just sprayed my ear.
If it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Oh my life, my life. Yeah.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah.
Yes, honey, we are back with another slay in the books. I was definitely feeling myself with this hairstyle. Go ahead and comment below whether you like the speeded up version of the videos without the commentary, or would you like me to walk you through step by step on how I achieve this look. If you have gotten this far into the video, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to reaching 1,000 subscribers. That's my first goal for this channel, so go ahead and do that for me. And peace, love, and blessings. I'm out.
Vision, make my life vacate.